Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I am CammyMaria. Thank you for subscribing, and this is my YouTube channel. You all, I did promise you that I would show you what my upholstery looks like on my daughter's bed, so I decided to vlog the entire process of getting her room done and everything. So I wanted to share it with you guys, so here it goes. So this is the space that I'm working with. The only thing I'm not going to change is the color of the paint. So I went ahead and cleaned the area. I swept and I mopped because, you know, once you put on everything, you don't want to have to move and drag and all of that. If you guys are interested in getting any type of woodwork done, whether it be making a bed, a cupboard, kitchen cupboard, table, anything, y'all can contact my brother-in-law. He does high quality woodwork, y'all. It's amazing, and he always does everything to perfection. I made this teepee with 4 sticks and some leftover cloth from my mother-in-law's birthday party, and y'all, my daughter loves it. Loves this teepee. Okay, all these play mats are about over a year old. My daughter peeled off all the Mickeys off of them and she started writing on them. So I covered them once, but I'm going to recover them with these contact papers that I got from IAM to just make it a little neater. I also got these skinny narrow contact paper from IAM as well. I'm just going to line the wall with it like that. So this is what the room is looking like now. So get this, right? I got this. This actually lights up. It's like a, I don't know what to call it, but this is it here. I got it from inside of those balloons that light up for kids. You know, the pretty one with the helium in it. Well, yeah, this was actually the handle for the balloon, and this went inside a kind of tube and then in the balloon itself. So I just built the balloon and took this out. What I'm going to do is just line the bed with these pretty looking lights. So in the night you'll have a little night light because that fairy light does burn real current. Okay, so I put it in. You can still see it if you go up close. There it is right there. And now I'm going to just put on the curtain and the mats. I am also going to fold her clothes and put them in drawers and come back to you with the final look of the room. So let me give you all the deets on where I got everything in her room. So this desk and this chair was bought somewhere in Vancouver, but you all can find it in the mall in Trinity, or you can find it in Gopal Land. It even came with these little counting beads. This mat I got from Carpet World. Y'all, this mat is thick and soft and fluffy like a little cloud. I just love this mat. We paid $500 for it. This quilt we ordered off Amazon for about $43 US. and it came with the matching pillowcases. I love it. It's super soft and silky, and it's not a slip and slide. We got those unicorn stickers on the wall. We got it from Excellence. I think I paid about $19 for it in the party section, just to give the wall a little different look, because we're not changing the paint of it. And like I said, I went ahead and I folded her clothes, out clothes and home clothes, in one drawer. Y'all, this drawer feels sturdy. We are making a toy box so that my daughter can have all her toys, but that is where it is for now until we get the box. And it's really a bust I just covered with the remainder cloth, and I just stuffed everything inside. I made that base cushion with an old pillow that we had and the spare cloth, the extra cloth. I initially wanted 2 pink, but they only had 1, so I'm on the hunt to find another pink blackout curtain. Well, here's where the magic happens when I turn off the light in this room. Isn't this beautiful, y'all? Positions it so it's easy to turn off, to switch. We also got another night light from Excellence, and this one is just a plug-in. That's it there. We paid $22, I think, for it. Y'all, inside this teepee looks magical. It looks like twinkling stars when you sit inside this teepee. It's just simply amazing. My daughter loves it. Comment down below what you think about this room transformation. And that's pretty much it, y'all. I hope you liked my daughter's room. Please hit the thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what you liked in the room. For me, it's the upholstery work, it's the bed, period. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section what it is you liked about the room, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.